Okay, today is September 20th. Izana is 10 months old, and she has decided that she's going to walk for us today. Okay, go walking.
Izana.
Do it again.
No.
Come on, Angel. Come on.
Move, Delilah.
I'm gonna get her.
Come on.
Delilah, I told you she depends too much.
Don't put your arms out, Delilah. She takes off like she's gonna run. Okay, go back the other way like you guys were.
Delilah, calm down.
Okay, go over there.
You're calm, she's calm, though.
Stand up, Izana. Stand up.
Yeah.
Okay, go to sister.
Oh.
Okay, go to sister.
She did 5 earlier.
Yeah. She was doing many steps.
Look at her clapping and going, too.
I know she was like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay!
Now you did it. Now you did it. Yay.
Yay!
Yeah. We're just having a ball.
Yay! Clappy clap! Who did it? Who did it?
Who did it?
I did. I did.
I do.
Good job, Angel.
Bye-bye.
No more? All done? All done?
Wait, I got one more thing.
One more time?
She's got one more in her.
One more. One more, Nancy.
Scoot back a little, Delilah. Yes, look at her. Look.
Okay, wait.
She's concentrating, you see her?
Okay, everyone quiet, ready? Balancing yourself, putting your arms down.
You're a zombie, man. Come on, you can do it.
Stop. Stand up.
She almost went down. You saw that? Okay, all done? Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy 10-month-old birthday, dear Izana. Happy birthday to you.
Bye.
Bye, Walkie. Bye.